My name is Sara McArdle. I'm trained as a bioengineer, which means I work at the interface of technology and biology. As a member of the microscopy corps, I actually collaborate with all of the labs in the Institute and work on a lot of different disease areas, but my particular focus in this project is on cancer. I was actually inspired to do this project by listening to some of my colleagues talk about their work. One mentioned an open question about how the immune system responds to cancer that we still don't have an answer to. And I was thinking about it, I realized that a super resolution microscope could actually solve it if only we had the right tools. My project is about taking a recently published method of super resolution microscopy that has only so far been used on cultured cells and using it on clinical samples. For this project, success would have two parts. First, and most importantly, we'd have a better understanding of the mechanisms that the immune system uses to recognize and kill cancer. But second, since I'm developing a new technique, success would mean other people eventually adopt this technique as well. If I'm successful, we would be the first institute in the world to use this type of super resolution imaging on clinical samples.